Well, snow started acting funny again over here, so I got fed up with trying to figure out what was going on, and I moved all the goldfish over there and moved the koi into the 75 gallon, and he pretty much responded instantly to being in here. He was better. He scratched a couple times over the first 2 hours, and then I had never seen him scratch since. That's like 4 or 5 days ago now. He's just loving it in here. He'd know the tank wasn't fully ready for him, but like I said, when I started this tank, that was cycled. That cycled, and that one in the back is cycled. Just these two ones in the middle were not cycled. But yeah, they're doing really good in here. I had to move these two little guys out because they were picking on Snow because he was in Sunshine's fins because he was weak. I had moved them over here to in here for a while, and I just moved them back today. Anyway, I just got some test results back about this tank over here, and I've come to a conclusion that my 3D background is the problem. It's about 9-10 months old, and it's starting to break down. It's inside the tank, so I'm gonna have to take it out, but I'm gonna have to take this one down first because this one here is exactly the same background. I built it myself, it's homemade. It's made with the same stuff. Basically, I used the polymethylene paint, which turns into a plastic when it dries. It must be breaking down. So basically, I just got that siliconed in. Like, I got rocks glued to the plastic, and then the plastic silicone to the back of the tank, and the rocks are coated with that polymethylene paint to keep the rocks from affecting the water column. And if the paint's breaking down, the rocks will start affecting the water as well as the paint. It's supposed to be a non-toxic plastic when it's fully dry. I'm not sure exactly what it's doing, but it's doing something not good. I also lost a little guy in here last week. It looked just like Booger, just smaller. It was like a mini Booger. And got their nosebleed. But anyway, I'll rip this tank down first because this wall is older, and I'll worry about a background later. I'll try to see if I can get to that today. I'll just drain the tank down and move the fish into a bucket, put the filters in the bucket, and then I'll get a razor and razor that background off the back. It's just siliconed in place. It'll be easy to remove. And then pour the water back in the tank.